Alright, so you're about to see us do something that we've previously been unable to do. And no, it's not wrap a jacket or put a sticker on it. It's this. It's putting a clear sticker. You've not been able to do before because generally when you do a clear sticker you need tick marks. Michael, how'd you do it?
Yeah, because I cheat the eye. The left eye need black later. So they will stop all the time. It just need adjust very well. So they will work.
And what about the cardboard?
What? Oh, cardboard, the whole sticker tie to the eye. So no more tweak.